Today, I will teach you how to make your pen drive bootable. Let's start. The storage of your pen drive must be 8 GB above. Insert your pen drive to your computer properly. Quickly click on the Rufus software to open it. The pen drive is auto-selected by Rufus. Left-click on the Select button to select your ISO file. Select your operating system. Leave default setting. Click Start. Click Yes to format the drive. Wait until the pen drive is ready. There is another video which I have created on how to download your Rufus software and how to use it. Your pen drive is now bootable. Thank you and follow me for more videos like this.